Okay, so now that the video has finished uploading finally, you'll see this thing where it says upload complete, go to video. We're not going to do that just yet. What we need to do is we need to go in here to where it says edit settings. So this is going to edit the settings of the video. We've already changed the title, so it's a nice friendly title, not one with like a date code on it. Put a description in. We're going to edit the thumbnail, so that way when we post the video to a website, this isn't what they see. So click edit thumbnail. We're going to upload. And normally I do artwork from the series. Sometimes if a series doesn't have artwork, then I'll use like a general expo logo of some sort. But we're going to go, so I have, if you go to documents, sermon series, 2019 series, the current series that we're in, artwork. The YV artwork is generally a widescreen format, so it works. Anything will work, but usually the YV stuff works better. It's short for U version because that's the artwork they require. So I click, what do I do? YV.jpg, which is JPEG. I'm going to click open, and this uploads the artwork for the video. Okay, and now I need to scroll down and just click save. All right, so now that is the title screen. The next thing I need to do is right down here it says embed, or over here. I'm going to click embed. For the preset, I'm going to click website new. And you see all that did, I'll show you. Well, it like changed all the text to white, put our logo down here. It's just a preset that I made, so it looks a lot cleaner when we put it onto the website. Click save again. All right. Now, the next thing that I need to do is on a new web browser screen, you need to go to www.squarespace.com, and we can get you the login information for this. So I'm going to log in. This is how we do our website. I'm not going to go into like all of the changes that we make on our website and everything, just how to add videos. So I'm going to click Exponential Church because that's the website we want to edit. And then up here, I'm going to go to Messages because that's the page that I want to edit. And I'm going to add the new video. I haven't put Scott's or Chaps up there yet. I'm going to go ahead. Normally I do these by date, but since we're finishing off this series right now, I'm going to go ahead and put the last sermon from this series, What Should I Do, just so you can see how to do it. And then maybe, we could put Scott's. Let's just get through this. So I'm going to come over here and I click edit because I'm editing the content on the page. So edit. All right, now this is where it gets a little tricky. Squarespace can take some getting used to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another video to this. So each thing on each element on here is a block. So up here, this plus sign, I'm going to add a new element, a new item, or a new content block. And so the first thing that I'm going to add is a text block, which is right here. So I'm going to click, drag, and I want the black bar going all the way across the screen. So now the content block runs all the way across the screen. Now we're going to change that in a minute. So I need to put in the date that this was preached, which was June 16th. No, June 23rd. Wow. It's been a long time. That poor series was broken up. June 23rd. The name of the series, What Should I Do? And then the title, 3 in the 1. All right. And then I'm going to center justify the text. So now it's in the middle. And now I'm going to add another block. And this time I'm adding a spacer. And you'll see why in a minute. I'm going to put this spacer here on the left. I'm going to add another spacer to the right there. And now I'm going to, because if you look at this block right here, where it says June 23rd, and I compare it to this block right here, it's not the same size. And we want all the videos to look the same. So I'm just going to, it's all snapped, so they will be the same size. So I'm going to resize each spacer. So now these are the same size blocks, and I'm going to put the new video in, the one that I just made. So to do that, I've got to go back over here to Vimeo. I just kept it on the same tab. I'm going to copy this link, copy link address. So I right click on the link, go to copy link address. Now if you already, let's say we already closed this tab and you're like, oh no, now I've got to get, what do I do? It's really simple. Just go to Vimeo.com. Alright. Here's all the videos that we've uploaded. That's the video that I want. So I can click on that video and there's the link again. So right click, copy link address. I'm going to go back to Squarespace. I'm going to add a new content block by clicking that plus sign. And I'm going to click video. So I'm going to click, drag, and I'm dropping the video right beneath that black bar is where I want to drop it, right beneath the text that we just created, and it'll be the width of that black bar. Okay, now the video URL, that's what we just copied. So right click, paste, and it automatically pulls the thumbnail and it automatically pulls the description, everything from Vimeo. So I'm going to click apply, and now our new video has been added to the website. So I'm going to come up here, I'm going to click save. All right, so now that's in there. So just to check it, I can go, so I'll go ahead and bring up a new browser window, new tab, and I'll go to www.expochurch.com. Okay, so if I come over here to messages, click messages, there's the video that we just made. And you can see all the other videos that we've done. And I'll click play just to check it. And this should be my bubble head.
We're standing right outside there loading up trucks and trailers.
There it is. So, all right. So that is how to add videos to the website of our sermons. And that should finish off this little series on how to do the podcast and the webcast and all of that. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.